I noticed something very particular, and the download kind of came to me. I don't know if y'all heard, but recently the geologists have said that Yellowstone will blow this year. There's been a lot of earthquakes and magma intrusion going on at Yellowstone National Park, and kind of weird weather events. I woke up this morning and it seems very fucking foggy, and that's from the fires in Canada. So I'm looking at Yellowstone, see where it's at, right? See where it's at, and then I'm looking at the wildfire map, and I notice where Yellowstone is. This is why I'm gonna do this. Yellowstone is, and where the fires are occurring. On top of that, you see in these same areas where the fires are the earthquakes. Now, the most significant part of what I'm saying is, if you look, do you see the line going down? The faults that are going down into Yellowstone? This is where the magma is flowing from. And before a volcano blows, the magma moves to this location and creates a certain amount of pressure before it blows, pops like a pimple. You know, your pimples start getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Pop! Right? Well, something's going on, man. And I thought it was gonna blow in 2018. Like, I had a download, half the earth burning, half the earth flooding, which is actually happening right now. But man, I don't know. They have these tools on here where everybody can go look. I just went on fucking Google, typed in earthquake map, boom, popped up. Mr. MBB333 also has some interesting information. So I would advise anybody to go follow him and see what he has to say. Very, very knowledgeable man as far as the different activities involved on Earth. He has a website that I just went to. You can go there. You can even go to these two, the SO2, and see the effects of the wildfire smoke. You know, never in history before have we had all these things that we can just click on and find all these different aspects. So let's see. There we go. Yeah, so this is the carbon dioxide index. But as you can see, carbon dioxide all over the United States. Y'all was wondering why it was smoky? You was wondering? And look at over here. See where it's red? This is telling you something. Now, all that shit is coming from Canada. All that smoke from Canada. I guess we got a downdraft from the different layers of the atmosphere that pushed it over here. But look. Now on top of that, they was talking about sandstorms, which we can easily peep. Hold on, let me try to remember. Oh yeah, this one. And hold up. And you can see the Sahara sands blowing out of Africa. All this color here, you see it all over the top, all over the north. All over the north. Now, what latitude is that we can kind of say from there up, right? So right here. All of this is Sahara sand. Now, I've been saying I got a download about the cloud or the net that's in the sky. You already have the one with this artificial intelligence, and our cell phones are linked to them. But we also have one of consciousness, which we were smart enough. And when I say we, I'm talking about the past lives that we lived. We knew what we would forget. These are the same things that are covering the pyramids. So this sand has been sitting all over these ancient structures and these ancient, places like Africa specifically. And now that wind is blowing all over the earth. Now, if you don't know, that sand ends up going all the way up, almost to the highest level of the atmosphere, but specifically the ionosphere. We know sands is quartz crystal. Quartz crystal is piezoelectric. So that's why when you see electrical storms, some of the lightning is going to be red, some of it's going to be like blue or purple, some of it's going to be white. And then you'll also see a lot of sideways lightning. This is from the effects of the sand gun. All of this is sand. You don't hear nobody talking about this. This is the pole flip, or assisting with our awareness. So these are things everybody could be aware of, and just, start studying and learning about the earth. The earth is just a bigger version of yourself. The same size of a cell to an organelle is the same size of a human to earth. And organelles make up cells. So earth is a cell. We are organelle on the cell. And yeah, we are the same thing as the whole, just in a minor form or a shard. So keep your head up, man. Everybody pay attention. Peace and blessings.